Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Apple Pay is fully configured in Wallet with a verified card and billing address. Once done, log into your Stake account. Make sure the device running iOS 15 or Mac OS has the same Apple ID and Face ID or Touch ID enabled for quick approval. Next, open Stake in Safari or the native app and navigate straight to deposits. Don't search settings. This setup removes common friction, so you can focus on making the deposit immediately. You proceed by entering the deposit amount precisely. Once entered, select Apple Pay as your payment method and inspect the merchant descriptor to ensure it references Stake. Next, tap Pay if Face ID or Touch ID will prompt, authenticate the transaction, and wait for the green confirmation. If you see any mismatch in currency or amount, cancel immediately and re-enter details. Once approved, Stake receives an instant tokenized payment, and the funds should appear in your account balance without manual processing. You finish by refreshing your Stake wallet and confirming the deposit posted. Sometimes the app requires a manual refresh, so do that first. If the payment is declined, check your bank app for flags, confirm Apple Pay daily limits, and ensure billing address matches Stake. Once you try again, keep a screenshot of the Apple Pay confirmation screen and any error codes. If repeated failures occur, contact Stake support with those screenshots and your device details. They can reconcile tokenized payments quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.